In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Spanish verb conjugation functionality in FlashcardsMate. So to create Spanish verb conjugation flashcards, from the menu select Add a flashcard. Now you can choose to add your verb conjugation flashcards to an existing study list, or as I'm about to do, you can add it to a new study list. Give the list a name. From the sort of test you want to add, select Spanish conjugation. You will then be prompted for the verb that you want to test. So in my case, I want to test hablar. You'll also be prompted for the conjugations that you want to test. I'm going to test myself on the present tense for hablar. So I select the 6 present tense conjugations for hablar, and I add the flashcards. You could continue to add conjugations for other verbs, but for the purpose of this video I'll just stick to the one verb. Now to run the test, from the menu select Run a Test. Pick the study list that you want to include in your test. I'm going to just test myself on our conjugations. I could include other study lists if I wanted to. To start the test, click Go, and you'll be presented with the flashcard test screen. What you'll see is there's the verb that we entered in our flashcard, and this is our first conjugation type, present. If you can't remember what a present conjugation is, and this gets trickier as you have some of the lesser known conjugations like conditional and various things like that and present perfect, you can click this question mark here and it will actually give you an example of one of those verbs conjugations to refresh your memory. So we check, did we get the conjugation right? And FlashcardsMate automatically knows the correct conjugation for the present tense of hablar for yo. And we can say, did we get the answer correct or incorrect? We'll say we got it correct, and we're presented with the next flashcard conjugation that we created earlier. Again, FlashcardsMate has told us what the correct conjugation is for that particular form of hablar. So you can continue on with the test, and it will test us for all 6 of the conjugations that we selected when we created our flashcard earlier. And at the end, after we've successfully completed the test, I'll just whip through these 6 flashcards, and you can see that each time the correct conjugation is automatically presented by FlashcardsMate. Click yes, and there's our test complete screen showing that we got 6 out of 6 for our conjugations. So I hope FlashcardsMate is a useful tool for helping you memorize those pesky conjugations, particularly those irregular verb conjugations which are difficult to remember, and that it helps you to improve your Spanish.